Everyone, so for today's video, I will be sharing sa design ng railings namin, terrace railings, and materials that we use. For our second floor terrace railings, we use a tubular, galvanized tubular, 2x2, may 2x2, may 2x3, 1x2, at saka 1x1 na tubular. My husband suggested that we're going to use a stainless. Pero ayoko ng stainless. I want a tubular kasi gusto ko siyang i-paint. Um, I'm thinking kung ano yung kulay na ipipaint ko dito. So I will choose between black and gray color for the railings. Pero yung may 5 na nakatayo doon is brown siya yung ipipaint ko. So yun lang for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!